American Dream Mansions. Today, we're taking you inside an extraordinary $4.8 million Norwegian mountain home, where Scandinavian craftsmanship, modern luxury, and cozy alpine living come together in perfect harmony. Surrounded by breathtaking mountain scenery, this home is designed for families who want comfort, warmth, and year-round adventure, without compromising on elegance. From the very first glance, this mountain residence makes a powerful statement. The architecture blends natural stone, rich wood tones, and sleek modern lines, all set against panoramic snowy landscapes. Large glass panels flood the home with natural daylight, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and the majestic outdoors. This is not just a house, it's a lifestyle retreat. As you step inside, the sense of scale and craftsmanship immediately stands out. The entrance welcomes you with warm wooden textures, refined finishes, and carefully designed lighting that sets a calm yet luxurious tone. Every corner of this home reflects thoughtful planning and premium detailing, crafted to feel both impressive and inviting. Moving into the heart of the home, the open-plan living area is where luxury truly comes alive. Expansive windows frame stunning mountain views, while the spacious layout allows the living, dining, and kitchen areas to flow effortlessly together. The living space feels cozy yet grand, perfect for family gatherings, winter evenings by the fire, or relaxed moments after a day on the slopes. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design and functionality. Equipped with high-end Gaggenau appliances, sleek cabinetry, and a large central island, this space is built for both everyday living and entertaining guests. The combination of silver finishes, rich brown wood, and subtle blue accents creates a refined, contemporary look that feels timeless. Whether it's morning coffee or hosting festive dinners, this kitchen delivers on every level. Adjacent to the dining area, the home features a stunning wine lounge, designed for memorable evenings and celebrations. With custom storage, ambient lighting, and a sophisticated atmosphere, it's the perfect place to unwind, entertain friends, or enjoy a quiet moment with a glass of wine while snow falls outside. One of the most impressive features of this mountain home is the fully equipped ski room. Designed with adventure lovers in mind, it includes boot warmers, storage for skis and snowboards, and a dedicated workstation to prepare for the slopes. This space perfectly balances practicality and luxury, making mountain living effortless and enjoyable. The home continues to impress with its wellness and relaxation areas. A private sauna, spa-style bathroom, and access to the outdoor hot tub terrace create a resort-like experience right at home. Imagine soaking in warm water under the open sky, surrounded by snow-covered mountains. This is mountain luxury at its finest. The bedrooms are designed as peaceful sanctuaries. Each room offers comfort, privacy, and beautiful views, with high-quality materials and calming color tones throughout. The master suite stands out with its generous layout, walk-through wardrobe, and elegant ensuite bathroom, delivering a true hotel-style experience in the comfort of your own home. Connecting the floors is the handcrafted LHM step staircase, a true architectural feature that combines form and function. Along with bespoke LHM interior cabinetry and furnishings, the staircase highlights the attention to detail and custom craftsmanship found throughout the home. Additional spaces like the private study, snug lounge, gym area, and garage further enhance the functionality of this residence. Every area is designed to support modern mountain living, whether it's working from home, staying active, or simply relaxing with family. This $4.8 million Norwegian mountain home is more than just a property, it's a complete lifestyle designed for comfort, adventure, and timeless luxury. From its breathtaking location to its premium interiors and thoughtful design, it represents the very best of modern mountain living. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next extraordinary home.